Hello dear students, welcome to your online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. My dear student, in my previous video, I have already explained some exercises of chapter number 2. So today's video I am going to explain the next remaining exercises. So for that you all take out your New Gems English Reader book and open page number 13. So dear student, we have already completed these exercises A, B and C. So now we are moving to the page number 14. So on page number 14 there is exercise D that we are going to start. So what will we do in exercise D? So dear student, in exercise D there is how do these animals move? Circle the correct words. So in this exercise we have to circle the correct movement of animals. So let's start. So there is a first animal is bee. There is first animal is bee. So dear student, tell me what's the movement of a bee? So there is a two option. First is flies and second one is hops. So the movement of bee is flies. So we have to circle the given word flies. And after that next animal is snake. So tell me what's the movement of snake? Here is two options. First is hops and another one is crawls. So the correct one is crawls. So we have to circle the given word crawls. Okay. In number 1, the movement of bee is flies and the spelling of flies is F-L-I-E-S, flies, and the second one is crawls. The movement of snake is crawls, so the spelling of crawls is C-R-A-W-L-S, crawls. Okay student, so now the next is number 3, a fish. So what the movement of fish? Here is again two options. First is crawls and another one is swim. So tell me how fish is move. So student, the movement of fish is crawls or swims. So it is swim. So we have to circle the word swim. What the spelling of swim? So S-W-I-M-S, swims. Okay. In number 1, the movement of bee is flies. Second, movement of snake is crawls. Third, movement of fish is swims. So we have to circle the correct option. Now moving to the next, next animal is rabbit. So the movement of rabbit is hops or swims. Tell me which one is correct. So the movement of rabbit is hops. So we have to circle the given word hops. What the spelling of hops? H-O-P-S, hops. The spelling of hops is H-O-P-S, hops. Okay student. Now the next animal is duck. Next is duck. So tell me which option is correct. There is two options. First is swim and another one is crawls. So the movement of duck is swim. So we have to circle the given word swims. So the spelling of swims is S-W-I-M-S, swims. So we have to circle it. Okay. Now the next number 6 is a horse. So the movement of horse is flies or trots. Student, tell me which one is correct. So here is the given word trot is correct. So we have to circle the given word trots. Okay. So like this we have to circle the correct movement of animals. Okay student, one more time we are going to check this. So there is a first bees. So the movement of bee is flies. Second is snake. So the movement of snake is crawls. Third is fish. So the movement of fish is swims. Number 4 is rabbit. So the movement of rabbit is hops. Fifth is duck. So the movement of duck is swims. Number 6, a horse. So the movement of a horse is trots. So like this we have to complete exercise D. Okay student, now moving to the next exercise. After completing exercise D, we are going to the next. So the next is number E. In exercise E, there is a spelling. So we have to do join the letters to make words starting with B and C. Dear student, what will we do in this exercise? So we have to join the letters to make words starting with B and C. So first of all, you can see there is a letter B and C. So we have to join these given letters to join with this given letter and make a new words. So student, there is a starting letter is B and C. So we have to join these given letters to make words starting with B and C. So in number 1, there is letter OY. So we have to join B. We have to make words starting with B. So firstly we are going to do B, and after that we have to add OY. So it will be BOY. In number 1, the word will be boy. Okay, BOY, boy. In second, there is AT. So when we add B, so it will be BAT, bad. Next, BED, bad. Okay, student. So we have to do the same things with C. We have to join this letter by starting with C. Okay, by starting with C. So firstly there is C. So the first letter is AP. So when we add this both, it will be CAP, cap. Second is CAT, cat. Third is CAR, car. So like this we have to write these words. Okay, student. One more time we going to check. So in number 1, there is BOY, boy, BAT, bad, BED, bad, CAP, cap, CAT, car, CAT, cat, CAR, car. So like this we have to complete this exercise D and E. So dear student, now we moving to the next. So next stage, punctuation. Dear student, in next we going to learn about punctuation. Have you know about the punctuation? What is punctuation? So dear student, in punctuation we have to learn about how could we use capital letter, full stop, question marks. These all are the punctuation mark. So we have to learn about this. So dear student, firstly we are going to do this exercise F. So in this exercise F, rewrite these names begin with the capital letter. Dear student, we all know that the special name of person, place are always begin with the capital letter. So student, here are some names of person, people. So we have to rewrite these names begin with a capital letter. As you can see, there is first letter is small, so we have to rewrite these names begin with a capital letter. So in first, as you can see, there is a name of Tina. So we have to change this first letter in a capital, so it will be TINA, Tina. We have to write this first letter in a capital. Okay, so like this we have to do this all. So in second, we have to change this small s into capital S. Okay, so it will be Sia, Rita, Ali, Raman, Roja. So like this we have to only change the first letter of these words. Okay, first letter of these names. So dear student, like this you have to complete this exercise F. You have only changed the first letter of this names. Okay student. So now moving to the next exercise. So dear student, what will we do in next exercise? So here is grammar fun. Here are some notes for you. You have to read it. Boy, ships, home and grass are words that tell us the name of a person, an animal, a place or a thing. Such words are naming words. Naming words are called nouns. Dear student, here is the definition of noun. What is noun? Noun is the naming word. Name of any person, animals, things, place are called naming words. Okay student, name of any person, animals, place or things are called noun or naming words. So dear student, in exercise G, circle the names of animals. Student, we have only circled the name of animals. So first is park. So tell me, park is the name of animals? No, it is not. Next is cow. So yes, it is name of animal. Next is seat. So no, it's not. Second is fox. So yes, it is name of animal. So we have to circle it. After that say no, it's not. After that cat, yes, it is. So we have to circle it. After that next is butterfly. Cry, no, it is not. So next is butterfly, yes, it is. So we have to circle it. Like this, we have to complete this exercise G. So dear student, I hope you all understood that how could we complete these exercises. So I hope, is that clear to you? So you have to complete your book from the beginning of this exercises. Firstly, you have to do exercise A, B, C, that is given on page number 13, and after that you have to do the next exercises of page number 14. So like this you have to complete this exercises of page number 13 and 14, and the next exercises I will explain in my next video. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my video. Thank you.